Morning, we finally reached the destination. We're on a beach finally. I got two rods to set up today, and if you see in my previous video, we only fishing with prawns today. So that's the prawns we're gonna use. I got a few different ones just to bait it up, a few different kind of hooks, sorry. So that's the Kentaro number 4, Kentaro Aberdeen number 4 I use them today. Match and scratch worm number 4, and I've got the Aberdeen match scratch number 1. So I'm just gonna bait up my rod and I choke in the water. It's a quite dirty beach today, 2 weeks of storm, that's what you get. So sea is calm, relatively calm. So hopefully we get fish in the prawns, and I'm coming back in 2 seconds. I'll just bait it up. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these things they're called tiger prawns, something. Just to get a wee bit strip. Our hook's quite big, so see how it goes. Just put the hook one time in, and I put the hook the second time in. There we go. I took a different kind of prawns as well, just maybe, you know, sometimes the color, not even the bait. This one is white, so you never know, maybe fish are more attracted on the white, but they're still prawns. And this bait's sitting really well on this Kentaro Aberdeen, so that's the bait size. I got my pop-up, help me a bit on a current to work. And we'll see how it goes. I had this road close and was not far away. No, it's just weed, I think. Definitely just weed. Yeah. As I say, there's gonna be difficult fishing, but that's fine. We try. We're just gonna change this bait and cast out again. I got my time saver rig already done. She's here, set. little bit more height, probably around 100 meters, I would say, no more than that. Let's see. Maybe a whiting or something coming through. Right, just fix the other one. And I'll come back. Say I retrieve my one hook clip down rig, and again I'm gonna bait up with this white piece of prawn. I will use my needle to help me out again. I just got a wee strap, they're quite big, so you can get a couple of bait off it. There you go. So once you're here, again with the elastic, not too hard. I'm gonna cast this one on a distance where you want just to, not too hard, otherwise your bait is gonna be broken. I like my hook to go quite a bit out, so okay. And we're gonna cast these ones on a distance a bit. Obviously today I showed you the way I've been fishing with the prawns, some of different way to bait up your hook, and we did try on the Kentaro as well. Again, it's sitting really good, but probably on a Kentaro I'm really curious to try the razorfish, because I think that's the perfect bait for that kind of hook. Prawns are nice for this one. They turn in really nice on the curve of the hook, and they just set and brilliant. So definitely a hook to go on your box as the match and scratch warmer. Number 4, perfect small bait. And off. If you manage just to break the shell, mine is a soft base, so need to get quite a bit careful, and still a bit frozen too. I help myself out with a hook, a needle, I'm watching for any touches on the road as well. I need to get fish today on this first challenge of my new channel, so you slowly pass down, and if using 5 really fine elastic, that's help you out to don't go too strong, and the waist is gonna break up. And just on the very end, okay, that's a nice micro bait for scratching. Hopefully it's working as well. Nice micro bait for scratching. That's us 2.5 hours in, 3 hours in. Tide, really small tide, flat as anything here. See, it's really flat. No sign of fish yet. No sign of fish. I think give another hour maximum, and probably the prawns is not the best bait to use on the beach for what we've seen till now. Okay, nothing has happened till now with the unshelled prawns, so I'm gonna try to bait up one with the shell on it. if we manage. I just passed the hook once through the prawns, and I would pass twice on a head. That should be okay to hold on now. Now we bear elastic to keep everything in place. Just try it. Maybe the shell can make the trick. I don't know. Okay. As long as I manage to keep my bait straight, it's fine. So there is a nice exposure of the hook on the top of the prawns. And the couple round one. Another one. So I'm gonna try later. I'm gonna try it on that way and see if make any change. Till now, as I said, we've been using them unshelled. So I will keep the shell on. I will probably cut this way here. Okay. Let's see. Never know. Nice bait. I will eat it. Okay guys, that's me finished. I think that's the session over. No catching any fish with the prawns today. Catching a fish was a bonus, was give a bait a go for somebody. I not had any success on a prawns, but it's fine. It's been a beautiful day. I enjoyed to be on the beach, enjoyed to be here today. We're in south of Glasgow, so time to back home, and I will do another raffle for the bait through the week or so, and hopefully a good bait coming up. Try to get fish in the future. So yes, enjoy the day. Not get wet. Nothing else. That's fishing. Sometimes you catch, sometimes no. Try to enjoy anyway. A fish as a bonus on a day. So be out here. Have no price. You just relax yourself and enjoy the time out. So that's me. Thank you to watching this video if you do, and if you do try to fishing with prawns, maybe different venues, rock mark or deep water, harbor or anything, put in a comment if you catch something. Let me know how did this bait work for you. The intention of this video was obviously to have enough fish on a bait, but was to do a different way to bait up this fantastic hooks from Sea-Glue, which definitely are my choice from when I go on the beach, and we're gonna try them with different bait as well. So they're really good hook, and that's definitely gonna be on my box as a good product from Sea-Glue. Thank you again, and I see you next time I manage to get out, hopefully with better result as well. Thank you very much.